I got this VTuber's heart to beat. Well, I started a heart gift to try and make it close to accurate as possible though. First I created heartbeat X, Y, Y. Then I created X1, X2, Y1 and Y2. For X1 I moved it then in, then out. Don't do it too far because the heart will look like it's thrashing about though. I moved it slightly in again, and move it slightly out. Y2, I moved it up, -1, so the heart moves up and down a bit when it beats, and -2. I did this again slightly for the main part of the heart and the bottom part of the heart. It's not very noticeable, but makes it look realistic as possible. Then I went over to physics and created heart X and heart Y. I added breathe and left the position X for both of them, and added 2 pendulum settings for both heart X and heart Y. Let me point out something. The shaking influence I kept to a minimum because the heart was literally thrashing about. Same as duration, make it look like it's beating as fast or realistic as possible. Seeing the reaction time over saturation a bit. Highly recommend sticking with these to make the heart beat as best as possible. For heart Y, I kept it as 1. I kept the shaking duration lowest as possible again. Reaction time to 2, and overall acceleration as 1. And just like that, I left it both at 100% effectiveness again, and I just hit increased output once for the scale, and that's the VTuber heart fully beating.